On an industrial rubber roller, the rubber cover may lift from the edge, form a blister, or separate around the metal core. When this happens, look at the two surfaces left after the rubber comes away. They usually tell you where the failure started. If you see almost clean, bare metal on the core with very little primer or adhesive left, the bond probably failed at the metal surface. The core may not have been cleaned or prepared properly before covering. Rust, oil, moisture, or grinding dust left on the surface can all weaken the bond. Grinding the core is only one step. After grinding, the surface still needs to stay clean before the primer, adhesive, and rubber are applied. If primer or adhesive is still left on the core, but the rubber has separated cleanly from it, the problem is probably between the adhesive layer and the rubber. The adhesive may have been applied unevenly, left for too long or not long enough, contaminated between processes, or affected during curing. Then look at the rubber itself. If pieces of rubber are still firmly stuck to the core and the cover looks torn, the bond may still be holding. The rubber layer may have failed first. This can happen after the rubber swells, softens, becomes brittle from heat, or keeps deforming during operation. A local blister means one area of the rubber has already lost contact with the core. Once a gap forms, heat or liquid can get inside and make the blister grow. The position of the blister also matters. If it starts from the roller end, oil, solvent, cleaning liquid, or another process medium may be entering from the edge of the rubber cover. If it appears only in the middle of the working face, check whether that area receives more heat, more chemical contact, or repeated compression. Do not ignore a small lifted edge. Once part of the rubber has separated, the movement during rotation can pull the separation farther around the roller or farther across the working face. When you remove a failed roller, take clear photos of the bare core, the inside of the separated rubber, both roller ends, and the full damaged area. Those surfaces usually tell you more than the outside blister alone. If you have a similar rubber roller separation or blistering problem, contact Wolorin. The full page and related links are in the description.